Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to access our Unit 4 ACT Study Plan IXLs. Now remember, these IXLs are rolling out about 2 to 3 exercises every 2 weeks. Now we're not taking class time to complete these exercises. It is my expectation that you are working on these progressively on your own, using any time that you have in the evenings, perhaps on a night where you have a little bit less homework. And if you have a few minutes here and there on the weekends, this is also a great time to make some space here for your IXL exercises. Now remember, each of these IXLs have been aligned to the ACT test. So they are not all 11th grade IXLs. They actually run the whole gamut. So in order to help you guys locate those exercises easily, what I've done is I've actually hyperlinked each exercise to the drop boxes in Schoology. So if you open up your Schoology classroom for English 11, you make your way down to Conventions of the English Language, our ongoing Unit 4 in preparation for the ACT English test. With each of our weekly assignments, you'll see the IXLs that have been assigned. Simply click on a drop box. Once that opens, you'll see the submission protocol, and just beneath that is a hyperlink to the appropriate exercise. Click that link and it opens up MM.3. You may need to sign in, but you will at least have found yourself to the appropriate exercise. All right, hope this is helpful. Please make sure that you are putting in some extra time here to get caught up with your IXLs so that they don't snowball over the course of the full semester. Please remember that for English 11, you are expected to complete and master 20 IXLs. All right, so get to it.